Today, you will learn how to keep text but remove table in Word. First, click on the Table Layout tab. Look for an option named Convert to Text. Click on Convert to Text. A small dialog box will appear asking how you want Word to separate the text after the table is removed. For most beginners, tabs is usually the easiest option because it separates the content by tab spaces. You can select the option that best fits your document and then click OK. The table will disappear, but all of your text will remain in the document. The content is now regular text instead of a table. Another option is to keep the table in your document but make it completely invisible. Simply select the table, go to the Table Design tab, click Borders, and choose No Border. Then, if you still see faint grid lines on the screen, go to the Layout tab and turn off View Grid Lines. If you find this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel.